Good morning. Why is my camera just zooming all the time? I don't understand. Realised I came downstairs and forgot my eyeballs. So I'm gonna get them to get them. We are freezer prepping a load of veg. Normally I just slice up carrots and celery and put them in bags in the freezer, but I'm gonna do one step further because I blend them when I cook with them, because then I can hide all of the veg in the food and the kids don't know it's there. So I'm gonna blend it all and put it into freezer bags. That is my plan. So let the chopping commence. The onions were really strong. Oh my god. Fuck. I can't actually open my eyes. Oh my god. Shit. I've got another bag to fucking chop yet. Oh, that is literally all my makeup gone. Oh my god. Well, that was traumatic. I was fine until like maybe over halfway through that bag, and then it just, those last few, I like literally couldn't even see what I was chopping. Shit. I just took all my makeup off because that was horrendous. Now I'm gonna blend them all and put them in here, mix it all up, and then I'm gonna put it into bags. It's all mixed. That is a massive bowl. Now I'm gonna put it into portions in freezer bags. Right, this I'm keeping because I'm about to make bolognese, and these ones are going to go in the freezer, and I am going to put them on a baking tray, and I'm just going to do a little groove down the middle, and then that will split them into twos, if that makes sense. And then I can just use either half or a whole, depending on what the recipe is. But yeah, I'm happy that's done. This is how I use the blended veg. Just a little bit of oil in there, and I'll just sweat it down. Bit of salt to help it sweat, and then low heat, lid on, done. Hey, it's been a long day, so I'm going to be done for today. But the elves are back. Well, one of them is.